Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Steam's opening page. So let's get started. Go to Steam, click up here on Steam, go to settings, and now what you need to do is scroll down here to interface. After you have done that, you have this option, startup location. Select your default Steam window. So basically, when you open Steam, what will first be shown? You have store, library, news, friend activity, and community home. So I'll leave it at store because I like it like that, but maybe some of you will like it at library, some of you news, some of you friend activity, and maybe even community home. But that's pretty much it for this tip. Anyhow guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.